Okay. So yesterday we have done that how Shaukat, there was a person, Shaukat Ali, he was a panwala in King Emperor's court. So what happened one day, he applied an extra coat of lime on the pan of King Emperor, which burned King Emperor's tongue. Okay, so as a punishment, what King Emperor said to bring a bag full of lime, and when Shaukat Ali goes there to bring lime, he meets Mahesh Das. Mahesh Das says that follow the orders of the king, but do one thing, follow my suggestion, drink a bowl full of ghee, and then go to the Emperor's court. Right? This much we have studied.
Yes,
So
sir.
Shaukat Ali goes to his home and he drinks ghee, a
Yes,
big bowl
sir.
full of ghee given by his wife in one go. He gulped all it in one go. Till here we have studied, right? Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will study the further things here after that. Now Avni, yes, read. Shaukat picked up the bag. Yes, Avni.
Can't even dream of taking a drop of ghee, forget a bowl full. The shopkeeper suddenly spoke up and said that one should
What are you
not
saying?
ignore.
Wait. I told you to read from here, na? Shaukat picked up the bag and trudged from here. I'm showing you also.
Yes, sir. Shaukat picked up the bag. Shaukat picked up the bag and
Trudged.
on reaching the court. He placed it at the feet of the emperor, who sir, what is this? Summoned two of his guards.
Avni, it is summoned. Read it as summoned.
Two of his guards to take Shaukat out. Full stop. Make sure he eats all the lime, said the emperor. Pity me, dear emperor. I'll die if I eat all that lime. Shaukat Ali burst into tears. You deserve it, said the emperor, turning his face away. The guards dragged Shaukat Ali to the courtyard, feeling sorry for the hapless man. Start eating, said one of them. Full stop. Shaukat Ali started eating. His stomach was
churning in pain. Stomach was churning in pain. Read like this. His stomach was churning in pain.
Stomach was churning in pain. He felt terribly sick and his teeth, they felt sharp and sensitive. When the emperor appeared in the courtyard a little later.
Okay, stop. Avni, try to first get what is being told to you. You are reading most of the words wrong. You are not able to read emperor. Read it properly, okay? It is emperor.
Okay, sir.
It is stomach, not stomach. Okay? It is stomach. It is churning. Okay? Read like this. Next time you read like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now see what we have to do now. So what happens here? When Shaukat Ali then drinks all the ghee given by his wife and he goes to the emperor's court. What happens? And see here, Shaukat picked up the bag and trudged. Trudged means to walk slowly, okay, with heavy steps. Understood? To walk slowly, you walk slowly in fear, right? That is trudged. So what happens here? Shaukat Ali, he picks up the bag of lime and he trudged, he walks slowly. Okay? Then what happens? On reaching the court, he placed it at the feet of the emperor, who summoned two of his guards to take Shaukat out. Make sure he eat all the lime, said the emperor. What happens here? When Shaukat Ali, after taking the bag of lime, he goes to the emperor and he keeps the bag of lime at the feet of the emperor. It means पैरों के सामने रख दिया उसके, right? In respect, okay, he keeps the lime at the feet of the emperor. And after that, the emperor summoned two of his guards. He called two of his guards and told him that take Shaukat Ali out and make sure that Shaukat Ali eats all the lime that he has brought. It means the emperor ordered the guards to make sure that Shaukat Ali eats the entire bag of lime. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pity me, dear emperor. I'll die if I eat all that lime. Shaukat Ali burst into tears. Hearing this, Shaukat Ali got scared. He was, begging to the emperor to let him go, because if he will eat all the lime, he will die. Understood? He is begging the emperor not to allow him, not to make him eat all the lime, because if he will eat lime, he will die. Children, yesterday I told you that lime is very harmful for your body. If you eat in large quantity, so you can die also. And here the emperor has ordered to eat a bag full of lime. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The emperor has ordered to eat a bag full of lime. Understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
that he will die if he will eat all that lime. Okay? Now what happens? You deserve it,
Yes,
said the emperor, turning his face away. He says that no, you deserve it. You have made me burn my tongue, made my tongue burn. I will make you eat all the lime. You deserve this punishment. Okay? Now, then what happens? The guards drag Shaukat Ali to the courtyard, feeling sorry for the hapless man. Okay? Start eating, said one of them. Now, Shaukat Ali started eating. His stomach was turning in pain. He felt terribly sick and his teeth, they felt sour and sensitive. When the emperor appeared in the courtyard a little later. Now what happens? Now when this, you deserve this punishment. So the guards, he dragged Shaukat Ali away. Okay, and they were feeling pity for the hapless man. Hapless means man, unfortunate man, unlucky man. What does hapless man means? Unfortunate or unlucky. Okay, and the guards were also feeling sorry for the unlucky man, but it was the order of the king, they have to follow. And one of the guards told Shaukat Ali to eat the lime. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shaukat Ali, after he started eating the lime, and his stomach was churning in pain. He was really in a need of emergency. It was king's order, so he also started to eat, but his stomach started to pain very much. Okay, and he felt very terribly sick. He felt heavy sick. Okay, and his teeth, they felt sour. Sour means khatta. Okay, and sensitive also. Then what happens? After that, a little later, the king also appeared in the courtyard. Is it clear? The king also appeared in the courtyard. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When the king appeared in the courtyard a little later, he could not believe his eyes. There was Shaukat Ali right before him, pale and hearty as usual. Did he not eat all that lime? The emperor asked the guard. Yes, your majesty, he ate all of it. How come you are still all right? Said the emperor. Turned to Shaukat Ali. Your majesty, the man bowed and said, I had a bowl of ghee before I came to the court. He was too weak to get up. So what happened? When Shaukat Ali ate all the lime, after some time the emperor came to the courtyard and he was very surprised seeing the seeing Shaukat Ali alive, he asked the guard, has he not eaten the lion? The guard said, no, no, your majesty, no, no, my lord, he has eaten all the lion. But again, the king again thought that how he's alive then? Okay, then Shaukat Ali replied that, my lord, I have eaten a bowl of ghee. That is why I am alive. Okay, so the intelligence of Mahesh Das had saved Shaukat Ali from death, right? You can find here, because if he would not have drink ghee, so he would have died. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now by saying this, Shaukat Ali was too weak to get up. He was feeling very weak while he was getting up, and he was saying this. Okay,
Sir.
now Ayushi, read from here. You are not that wise.
You are not that wise to know what I had to mind. Who gave you the bright idea? May I ask? Said the emperor. I met a young man at the shop. His name is Mahesh Das. Streamed Shaukat Ali.
Good, Shaukat Ali.
Mahesh Das? You mean Birbal? The emperor's voice grew softer now. He told me to drink a bowl of ghee before I appeared at the royal court. Shaukat Ali confessed. You, sir, what's this?
Where?
Sir, after you.
Shaukat Ali confessed. You owe your life to Birbal.
Sir, this is.
You owe your life to Birbal.
You owe your life to Birbal. Go and find him now, said the emperor. Shaukat Ali returned with Mahesh Das. The young man bowed and waited for the emperor to speak. Birbal, did you tell the rest to drink that bowl of ghee? Yes, your majesty, I did. One does it when one has to eat something that could. Sir, what's this?
Eat something that could corrode the lining of the stomach.
Corrode the lining of the stomach. The Emperor Akbar looked at the Birbal and raised. Forgive me, your majesty. Had it not been for the bowl of ghee, the poor man would have been dead by now. Birbal replied. He deserved the punishment. The emperor ruled. He burned my tongue. How dare he?
Okay, stop reading. Okay. Now, you know that after, he says that I have eaten a bowl of ghee, the emperor became surprised. He says that, the emperor says that you are not that much wise that you can guess what was there in my mind, and you can come prepared with the thing. Tell me who is the brain behind you to tell you this idea. Okay. So what Shaukat Ali says, I met a young man in the shop. Okay, and stammered. Shaukat stammered means, it is called in Hindi, to say in a breaking voice. I said, Mahesh, in a fear, stammered. Okay. So, to stammered means to say in, breaking voices, break voices. Okay. Shaukat Ali also stammered, and he says that people call him as Mahesh Das. So Mahesh Das only told me that to drink a bowl of ghee before going to your court. Okay. So he says that Mahesh Das means Birbal. So he says that yes, he's Birbal only. And seeing this, he tells everyone, tells his court masters to bring Birbal to the courtyard. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, and
Yes, sir.
Akbar says that to Shaukat Ali, Akbar says to Shaukat Ali, you owe your life just because of Birbal. Your life is saved only because of Birbal. Birbal has saved your life. Okay. Now, when Birbal came to the court, so what happened? So Shaukat Ali, he asked Shaukat Ali. Sorry, the emperor asked, did you tell him to drink to drink ghee? So Birbal replied, yes, I only told, because if he would not have been eaten this, he would not have been drinking the lime, so he would have died. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the emperor says that Emperor Akbar says that, you know not that due to his careless behavior, I have burnt my tongue. And that is why that you are doing, and how dare you to give him the idea of drinking ghee before coming to my courtyard. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, the last few lines.
Yes, sir.
Forgive me again, dear Emperor. Makes the best pan in the city. I'm told, where would you find a substitute? Asked people. Practically bored again, but he could not get his head below the level of his navel. Thanks to his pot belly. I should have asked you to touch the ground with your forehead instead. Teased the Emperor. That would have made the most appropriate punishment for you. Shaukat, what are you standing there for? Go make pan for us. I'm dying for one. Do you have anything to say to the Birbal? No, sir. Nothing at all. And the story ends. What happens there? The Birbal again. Birbal and Mahesh Das are the same people. The other name of Birbal is Mahesh Das. Okay, Birbal and Mahesh Das are the same people. So Birbal says that, my lord, forgive me, but you also know that he is the best pan maker in the city, and nobody can replace him. So if he would have died, so would you have been eating a pan better than his pan? तो क्या आप इससे अच्छा पान खा पाते? So the emperor says that yes, it is my fault. Other than ordering him to eat a bag full of knives, I would have ordered him to touch the feet from his, from his nose, from his forehead. That would have been the best punishment. But it is my fault. After this, what happened? The emperor orders Shaukat Ali to go and make pan for everyone, and the story ends here. Okay, the emperor forgives Shaukat Ali just because of the bit of people, and everything goes well. Understood? So what you have learned in this story? In the story you have learned that the witch is very important. Just because of the presence of mind of Birbal, the life of Shaukat Ali was saved. The emperor has given a severe punishment, a bad punishment, and inhuman punishment for a small cause. It was a very bad punishment. So Shaukat Ali, the Birbal used his mind, and it saved the life of Shaukat Ali. This is there in this story. So have you understood the story?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am giving you the homework. I will share you the PDF of this chapter, and you write in your literature copy and literature book. Okay. And you have to share me the PDF by Sunday on the Google Classroom app. I am giving you today's time and tomorrow's time. 2 days time I am giving you. Submit it by Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you don't submit, you will lose marks in your exam. Okay. So your homework is
Okay, sir.
Google Classroom by making a PDF of it, not photo, PDF. Okay.